first electrically energized premium generous bicycle, the C Headway presents BMW Motrad's underlying advance toward electric drivetrains, embraces the BMW Group's excitement for viability and eco-pleasing transportation. The US market will simply get the long-fuel type of the C Improvement bicycle, which can go 99 miles on a singular charge. 3 115-150V, 94Ah lithium molecule battery modules from the BMW i3 are ensuring this close by regenerative ceasing system. Its electric motor is assessed at 48 quality and 53 pounds-to-foot of fast torque, which can induce the rush from 0 to 31 miles for consistently in 2.8 seconds, up to a speed of 80 miles per hour. Along these lines, better trusted, the C advancement can be used for short detachment expressway driving. The battery has a 5-year/30,000 mile insure and can be restored with a standard connection that is consolidated into the offer. It takes 9.5 hours to do in that capacity on a 110V outlet. There is a speedy charge 220V additional connection that curtails the chance to 4 hours. The lavishness electric bicycle moreover goes with standard ABS, torque control assist, reverse assist, and 4 riding modes: Road, Eco, Pro, Dynamic, and Sail. Every one of the information can be seen and gotten to on a TFT up here. In case you figure the new C Improvement won't feel that attracting to ride, I should remind you it goes with upside-down forks which are pre-stack adaptable. Completing the summary is a lit-up limit compartment, a stepless power-adjustable windshield, and a side stand that sanctions the ceasing brake. A center stand is there too. The 2018 BMW C Headway can be had in onyx silver metallic, electric green blend, and can be moreover changed by methods for some optional features like warmed holes, $250, an antagonistic to thievery alert, $395, and a comfort range, $145. You can experience tomorrow's urban compactness today with the BMW C Improvement, without exchange off. In spite of what may be normal, this electrically controlled maxi bicycle joint sensibility, components and springiness with an arrangement that stands out enough to be noticed. Every last other vehicle in urban action will get left behind nearby the confusion and fumes. The serious, absolutely electric engine guarantees provoke torque and a riding extent of up to 99 miles. This model furthermore comes in 4 riding modes, and astute imperativeness recuperation in the midst of braking and reviving. Riding execution of the most bewildering demand, natural sincerity, and imaginative development, the C progression stays for riding bliss without deal.